Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video about the benefits of the workout for the mental health. And here we will use the Pictory AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I'm accessing the Pictory AI and I prefer to access it from my PC to get more spacious view. And in the Google Chrome you can simply type the Pictory AI, and this is the look when you searching for it. And you can simply click Pictory AI video generator, and as you can see that this AI will help you to create the stunning video in minutes with Pictory AI, and it is a leading AI video generator, and it will help you also to create not only for the content but also feel more professional quality video. And after that you can simply open it and do the login first with your email, and this is the look of the home page. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you 14 days for free or free trials. And if you are interested to upgrade it into the pro version, then you can simply click upgrade, and you can see the several offer or the package that they offer to you. And if you are interested, then you can continue to buy their package and do the payment. And for example, we would like to create a video about the benefits of the workout for the mental health. So I prefer to choose this from the text to video, and you can continue to click start with an idea. And for example, I will put the prompt over here, the benefits of workout for the mental health. And you can select the platform that you would like to present this video. For example, I will choose the Twitter, and the video I prefer to be 30 seconds is enough. And you can continue to generate the script, and kindly wait for the process. And this is the result after this Pictory AI would like to create the script for every single scene. And if you would like to rephrase this text, then you can simply click rephrase to get more another diction to perform or present the video. For example, I will choose to replace the script, and this automatically changes into the newest or the newer script. And you can also shorten or lengthen the script. And after that you can also choose the ratio. For example, there are 60 and 9 and the vice versa, but here I will prefer 1 and 1 ratio, and I will continue to generate the video. And kindly wait for the process until the video will be ready into this section. And make sure that your connection is in a good condition, guys. And if you have any another suggestion about another AI that can do the same as this Pictory AI, please suggest us on the comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also we would love to create the video in another version, guys. So as you can see that after this waiting for the generation process, so the video is almost done. As you can see that this Pictory AI has prepared you the every single scene, and also embedded with this picture that also present about the material or something that you would like to be spoken in the video. For example, it also gives you the music, And if you would like to change this text, then you can simply click this and give it double click, and you can start to edit the text. For example, as you can see, I just removed the full stop, and you can simply enter it, and the video is almost ready. And if you would like to add the visual or element and style, you can simply click this menu on the left section. For the audio, you can also put the voiceover. For example, I will choose this Akash,
Oh, you're here. All right.
and you can continue to generate and apply, and it will give you the update whenever the voiceover will be ready to speak and also dubbing your text over here. And finally, the voiceover is already applied into this section. For example, I will show you guys.
Engaging in regular physical activity releases endorphins, which enhance your mood.
So if you are ready to download this video, then you can continue to click download up here, and you can choose the video to be with or without the watermark, because there are also several requirements. If you would like to download it without the watermark, then you need to purchase their package. But if you are okay about the watermark, then you can continue to click download with watermark and let this AI to prepare and generate the video first, like this, and your video will be ready to be downloaded. And finally, after the preparing and generation process, then this video is ready to download. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.